Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm your teacher Shakeel Akhtar. So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can convert PDF file into AutoCAD. So firstly I want to tell you how many software exist in the market, like AutoCAD Electrical, AutoCAD Simple, and AutoCAD MEP, and AutoCAD Architectural, and AutoCAD Civil. There is a lot of softwares. So which version can convert PDF file into AutoCAD? So above 2018, all the versions can convert PDF file into AutoCAD. So now how you can convert PDF file into AutoCAD? That file will be good to use, but that file will not be good to use. Okay, so let's start. So firstly you will have to click on the tab New, and then you can get the file, which is the name Drawing 2, and then you will have to click on the PDF import. You will have to go to the Home tab and then Insert, and in Insert ribbon or tab you will see there is the option PDF import. Then you will have to click PDF import, and I will take on first, and then you can scale up and rotation, but I will scale this file after inserting in this drawing area. Okay, so import as block, join line and arc segments, you will have to click and then OK. So now here is a file. So which file can convert? If you have a file which is scanned, then you cannot convert that scanned file into AutoCAD. And if you have a file which not create according to the scale, then you will face a problem with the dimensions. Okay, now firstly you will have to select the units, set the units U, and you will have to enter the UN, and then you will see a dialog box. Then you will convert this into architectural and inches and precision you can set, and OK. And another thing you will have to set, that is D, Dimension Style Manager. You will have to enter D. When you enter the D, you will see a dialog box, Dimension Style Manager, and then modify it, and then increase the size of the text 6 inch, and then go to the primary units and then select architectural, and then precision you will have to select this or this, and this is up to you. Okay, and then OK. If you didn't see my if you didn't watch my this video about Dimension Style Manager, so please watch that video I have created in this playlist. So that is the second number video. Okay, so please watch that video. Okay. And then set current and then close. Now why I chose architectural? Because here is a unit 16 feet and 4 inch. So now I'm going to dimension it, DLI. If you see, there is no dot. Where is the snap dot? You will have to go to this tab and then open it. Go to the snap settings and then object snap, and then click OK, and then select all, and then OK. Okay, so now you can take dimension DLI and then select from this to this. There is very small. So now you will have to scale this drawing. So you will have to choose this dimension and draw a line 16 feet 4 inch, and then you will have to use a tool, that is a line tool, AL. When you enter AL, align command will be active, and then select the whole drawing. Okay, and then select this point to this and this point to this. So now congratulations, I have done scaling. Okay, so now you can take dimensions. this is 16 feet 4 inch, and now I will take this dimension, that is 35 feet for 1 by 8. So you can imagine and you can consider this. If you want to create accurate drawings, you will have to create one by one all the things. If you have an option, you can this is the minor change in the dimension, so you will have to just ignore it. How you can ignore it? You will have to enter D again and modify, and then go to the precision, and then select 0 feet and 0 inch, and then set current, and then you will see a good dimension. And now you will take another dimension here, that is accurate, because you have chosen the precision 0 feet and 0 inch, that's why it's showing this. But if you choose the precision 32 1 by 32, then you will see a problem here, that is a minor change in the dimensions. So if you draw properly and according to the scale, then you will have to draw one by one. If you have an option to ignore it, then you can ignore it. Then you can choose the dimension style and precision measurement. Okay, so I have another drawing which is created according to the scale. So now I'm gonna convert that drawing. Okay, so go to the insert tab, and then I'm going to floor plan, and then insert it same like that. Okay, I'm going to scale this drawing. So you will have to take any dimension, any one dimension, okay, horizontal or vertical. So now I'm going to take this dimension 11 feet 8 inch. Okay, so now I select these drawings, and then AL, enter, and then choose, select this point, and then select this point, and enter, and Y, enter. Y, enter. You will have to enter Y because you are going to scale this up. So here is a scale object. So if you enter Y, then these alignment will be scaled. Your drawing will be scaled according to these dimensions, according to these points. Okay, so now I am going to Y and then enter. You will see the drawing is scaled. So now I am gonna take the dimensions. So here is a problem, that is very minor change. If you select this, then here it will show a problem in the dimensions. Okay, so now if you select this, that is 1 by 2. So here is no problem. So after converting the drawings into PDF to AutoCAD, then you will have to select the drawing and then explode it, and then you will have to erase all the text because this is not accurate. So you will have to delete all the text one by one. Then you can clean all the drawings, just remaining the doors, windows and walls. And after clean the drawing, you can put the text as you want. Okay, if you want to create electrical drawing, only just you need the name of the areas. And if you want to create architectural drawing, then you will have to draw again this drawing because it is not an accurate scale. It has a minor difference in the dimensions, in the accurate dimensions. Okay, so you will have to recreate this drawing, and then Okay, then put all the things one by one. If you want to convert PDF to AutoCAD, so you will have to keep in your mind that is why you are converting. If your client is okay with that drawing or not, because every PDF conversion takes an error, or every PDF conversion changes the accurate dimension, which is not accurate according to the skill. So you will have to consider, okay, if you can ignore it, if your client ignore it, if your client not needed the dimensions, only just pointing of the electrical points, only just pointing the different pipeline or anything else, so you will have to just convert this and draw the pipeline as well. If you want to create according to the scale, then you will have to recreate all the drawing. So there is a problem. You will have to think in your mind, and you will have to remember this word. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe it and hit the bell icon button as well. Then you will get notification about my upcoming videos and interesting videos. I thought this video is very helpful for you, because a lot of people want to convert the PDF file into AutoCAD. There is a problem, but I want to tell you the truth. There is no option to convert PDF to AutoCAD without changing the scale or without changing the dimensions. Okay, so dimension will be changed, but in minor, very minor. So if your client or you can ignore it, then you can convert easily, and then you can use that drawing into your project or into your documentations I have talked about. So thank you so much. Please subscribe it and hit the bell icon button as well. Thank you. Take care.